Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of anime's most fascinating and debated characters, Griffith from Berserk. Fans have long speculated about his sexuality, asking, is Griffith gay? Let's explore what we actually know from the story. Griffith is the charismatic leader of the Band of the Hawk in Berserk. He's ambitious, elegant, and incredibly driven, with dreams of ruling his own kingdom. His charm and complexity make him one of the most captivating and morally ambiguous characters in anime history. The question about Griffith's sexuality mostly comes from his deep and emotionally charged relationship with Guts, the series' main protagonist. Many viewers sense a romantic or even sexual tension between the two. Griffith's intense admiration for Guts, along with how much he values him above everyone else, has led fans to wonder if those feelings go beyond friendship. Is Griffith gay? Canonically, Griffith's sexuality is never clearly defined in Berserk. He's portrayed as someone whose desires are deeply tied to ambition and control, rather than love or attraction in the traditional sense. While some fans interpret his closeness to Guts as romantic, others see it as symbolic, representing Griffith's obsession with Guts as the only person who could stand as his equal. In the manga, Griffith also sleeps with Princess Charlotte, which shows he's capable of heterosexual relationships, though even that act seems politically motivated rather than romantic. So, is Griffith gay? The answer is, it's open to interpretation. Griffith's relationships are layered with emotional and psychological complexity, and his actions often serve his greater goals rather than personal intimacy. Whether you see his bond with Guts as romantic or symbolic, one thing is certain. Griffith remains one of anime's most enigmatic figures.